Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic, finger abacus. Already we have seen a direct method and small friend method in finger abacus. So let's see the next method, which is big friend method. So first of all, what do you mean by big friend method? So there are two numbers. So when we add that combination, two numbers, we should get answer as 10. Okay. So then we will call that two numbers are friends to each other, means big friend to each other. For example, if you observe the right corner of the board, so all the formulas are written. So if you see each combination, the result we will get it as 10. Okay, so then we will call, suppose for example, if we take the first one, plus 1 is equal to plus 10 minus 9, means actually if you add 199 we will get 10. Then we will call one big friend is 9 and 9 big friend is 1. And we can also call it as one complementary number is 9 with respect to 10 and 9 complementary number is 1 with respect to 10. Actually the concept is same like a small friend. So whenever you don't have a specified number of fingers, so you are taking the help of another numbers, okay, and some you are adding and some you are subtracting. Like the common friend 10 is you are adding and the best friend 9 you are subtracting to get the one finger. Okay, concept as same as small friend method, but only the number of formulas are increased. So let's see all the formulas. So plus 1 is equal to plus 10 minus 9, plus 2 equal to plus 10 minus 8, plus 3 is equal to plus 10 minus 7, plus 4 equal to plus 10 minus 6, plus 5 is equal to plus 10 minus 5, plus 6 is equal to plus 10 minus 4, plus 7 equal to plus 10 minus 3, plus 8 is equal to plus 10 minus 2. Again we have for one more formula for the 9, plus 9 is equal to plus 10 minus 1. These are all the formulas which we are going to use in this method. Next we will see when we should apply this method. Okay, so process is very simple. First whatever the problem we have, that we need to solve using direct method. Okay, so if we can do it, fine. If we can't do it, then we have to go for small friend method. Then if you couldn't able to do with the small friend, then we need to go for the big friend method. Let's start the questions. 5 plus 4, very easy, we can do it with the direct method. Then plus 1, how to add plus 1? We don't have beads and even we can't use small friend also because already we used 5. So now we can't use any more 5. So then the only option left for us is big friend method. So what big friend is saying? Plus 10 minus 9. So that means you need to add 10 and remove 9. When we are doing first time, so I would suggest to keep all the formulas handy with you. Okay, so we need to add plus 10, then minus 9, then we need to add plus 2. So plus 2 we can do it directly. Then what's the answer? 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Then next question. 9 plus 1. So how to add plus 1? We can't do it using direct method. And we can't use even small friend also because already we used 5. So no more 5. Then add, go for big friend, plus 10 minus 9. Then add plus 3. Then add plus 6. How to add plus 6? Using direct method we can add. We have fingers. So 6, 5 plus 1, 6. So altogether 1, 9, 19. So let's see next question. 6 plus 3. So when you are able to add using direct method, do it. If you can't do it only, we need to go for different method. Then plus 1. How to add plus 1? Plus 10 minus 9. Then again plus 3. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. Yeah, next question. 6 plus 3 we can add directly, plus 2 we can't add, not even a small friend. Then go for big friend, plus 10 minus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again plus 2. So we need to add again 2. I forgot to add, but anyway I'll do it now. See, I forgot this 2. Okay, we got 11. 11 plus 2, 13, 13. So the answer is 13. Yes. Next question. 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Then plus 2. So again we need to go for big friend. Plus 10 minus 8. Then plus 4. Then minus 3. So again we need to subtract 3. So the answer is 11. Next question. 9 plus 2 plus 10 minus 8. Then again 1 plus 1. Then plus 5. So the answer is 1, 7, 17. Next question. Let me set the board first so that you can see formulas and as well as questions. Next question. 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Then plus 3. So how to add plus 3? We need to go for big friend. Plus 10 minus 7. Okay. We can't use small friend because 5 is already used. So plus 10 minus 7. Then again we need to add plus 2. So how to add plus 2? We can add using direct method. Okay. Then minus 2. So subtract minus 2. Then the answer is 1, 1, 11. Next question. 9 plus 3. How to add plus 3? Plus 10 minus 7. Then subtract 1. Again. Next plus 2. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. Next question. 7 plus 3. How to add plus 3? Plus 10 minus 7. Then plus 4. Next minus 4. So remove 4. So the answer is 1, 0, 10. Next question. 9 plus 4. So how to add plus 4? Plus 10 minus 6. Because we can't use small friend, then we need to go for big friend. Plus 10 minus 6. Then minus 2. Then plus 2. So remove 2, then add 2. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. Next question. 6 plus 4 plus 10 minus 6. Then plus 3. Then plus 1. So the answer is 1, 4, 14. Next question. 3 plus 3. So how to add plus 3? We can use small friend. We can't do direct, but we can use small friend because 5 is available. So what's the formula? Plus 5 minus 2. Next, add plus 4. So how to add plus 4? We can't use direct and small friend. Then we need to go for big friend. Plus 10 minus 6. Then again plus 6. Means we need to add 6. So we can do it using direct method. 6. So the answer is 1, 6, 16. 5 plus 1, 6, right? So 1, 6, 16. So that's it for today. I hope you understand all the problems. So try to keep all the formulas handy, big friend and as well as small friend, so that you can able to do very easily. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.